Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Joining Server freeze. A poor internet connection is a common culprit. Confirm your Wi-Fi is strong or consider using an Ethernet cable for stability. Often, simply closing and reopening the Roblox application can fix a temporary freeze. If that does not work, give your device a quick reboot to clear out any background processes or minor system errors that might be causing the problem. These quick steps often resolve the issue without needing more complex solutions. Over time, your computer accumulates temporary files that can interfere with applications like Roblox. Clearing these cache files, especially for your browser or the Roblox app itself, often resolves unexpected freezes. If the problem persists, a clean reinstallation of Roblox is a powerful step. This ensures you have the latest, uncorrupted version of the game, free from any old, problematic files that might be causing the server join to freeze. It is a reliable solution for many players. Sometimes, your computer's security measures, like the firewall or antivirus software, can mistakenly block Roblox's connection. It is important to check your firewall settings and ensure that Roblox is specifically allowed to access the network. If you suspect your antivirus is interfering, you can temporarily disable it for a few minutes to see if that resolves the freeze. Remember to re-enable your security software immediately afterward to keep your system safe from potential threats. Your security settings are there to protect you. Finally, ensure your computer's drivers, especially your graphics card drivers, are up to date. Outdated drivers can lead to compatibility problems and unexpected freezes during gameplay or server joining. Always download the latest drivers directly from the manufacturer's website for optimal performance. If you have tried all these steps and the issue still persists, your best course of action is to contact Roblox support. They have specialized tools and knowledge to help you diagnose and resolve more complex problems efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.